3 things I wish someone had told me at the beginning of my thesis. Hi, I'm Gabby from mythesiscoach.com, and today I want to share 3 ideas which would have been very useful at the start of my thesis journey. I came to learn these over time, and they did help, but I wish someone had told them to me right at the beginning so I could have carried them with me throughout. But today I'm sharing them with you, and for more thesis tips and tricks and ideas, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Right, so number 1 thing I wish someone had told me. The fact that I was selected to be part of the PhD program meant that I have potential. Oh my word, I spent so long thinking, am I meant to be here? Do I know enough? I'm never going to pass through this. What a waste of time. I mean, the fact that I was there, firstly, that I showed up, and number 2, that I was deemed good enough to be there, to hold potential to carry through a project, that says volumes. So I wish I'd known that right from the beginning. The second thing that I wish someone had told me was that when it comes to writing a thesis, consistency wins every time. Wow, I tried to fill in days of writing and I tried to binge and then I didn't write for weeks and it was so up and down all the time. Only right towards the end of my journey did I suddenly realize that if I showed up consistently, even if it was just for small amounts of time, that is how you make progress through a project. When it comes to you, the consistency doesn't have to be every day. It could be twice a week for an hour each, but that consistency is how you get momentum and how you keep that momentum going through the whole project. So that's the second thing. And finally, the last thing I wish someone had told me is that your thesis is never going to be perfect. Even right at the end, when you submit, it's still not perfect because it's going to come back from your examiners with things that you need to change in order to get it passed through. So it's never perfect. That's just an inbuilt mechanism in the academic system, for better or for worse. But I've spent so much time trying to get every word perfect, every sentence perfect, every paragraph perfect, every chapter perfect. What a waste of time, because there is no such thing as perfection. There's only the very best thing you can do with your study, with your data, and with your knowledge at that moment. So there you have it, 3 things I wish someone had told me at the start of my thesis writing journey. Cheers for now.